up guys, I'm back because from the other side we have to pay 20 pesos. So I'm sorry guys, sorry for the mix click for that one. So let's continue to the cyber zone.
Ako nakakita ng ball na...
Okay, so let's continue to the cyber zone and go into the CR, shall we? Alright guys, we're in the cyber zone. So today we are fixing my iPhone, so make sure to subscribe. And we'll bring it back, and then this is for exploring, okay? So make sure to subscribe. Okay guys, so make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Alright guys, we're in the crowded people, and now we are in the cyber zone. Hey guys, we're in the cyber zone, so let's wait. Let's wait patiently because it has so many lines. Let's wait patiently, okay? So make sure to subscribe because it's gonna take a while. So make sure to subscribe.
Yes, sir.
Okay, make sure to subscribe. And then we have this thing, okay? Where we add SM, Small of Asia. Small of Asia. Sorry about that. Okay guys. Okay guys, we're going to the repair.
iPad.
Yung sa third yun?
After you finish. After you finish.
Hawak mo muna. Para makita ng pa. Hawak mo.
Okay.
Kasi.
Kung kailangan mo yung accessories sa ano?
Saan po?
Yung accessories dito?
Ha?
Saan mo na?
Lagi yung stapit na.
Dahil pakita ko lang ang pa. Ito sa?
Ihi.
Ay,
I see you on the other video.